All right, we're here doing the whole number operations for GED math test. So I am working on these types of problems. So these are questions that you might need to be doing in order to pass the GED math test. So let's get started with both 2-digit, 3-digit, and 4-digit, actually all of those numbers, adding and subtracting. So when we start, we always start at the end here. So we start with these last two numbers. So you just add 4 and 3 together and you get 7. And then we just add 5 and 2 together and you get 7 as well. So your answer for this would be 77. Now we're going to take a look at our next one, 73 minus 21. So we are going to go ahead and just do 3 minus 1. Again, you're always starting at the end of the number or the very right. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And then we do 7 minus 2, which is 5. So your answer is 52. The next question, 105 plus 85. So here we're going to do 5 plus 5, add that together, we get 10. So we're going to take that 0 and we're going to take the 1 that we had and carry it over to the tens position. So now I'm going to have 1 plus 0, which is going to be 1, plus 8, which is 9. And then here, we don't have anything here, so we're just going to kind of fill in a 0 right there to keep it consistent. And 1 plus 0 is 1. Then we're going to take a look at this. So we have a number like this where you have 100. So you can't take 7 from 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this tens. We're going to borrow from here, but we can't really borrow from here because that's 0. So the next thing would be 9, right? So this would normally be a 10, but we're going to make it 9 now. And then because we have to borrow from that, we have to borrow from this as well. Think about this like spending $100. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then you'd have 0 minus 0, which is 43 as a total answer. Then we're going to go over here to this, another 2-digit. So 6 and 4 are going to add up to be 10, so you're going to put a 0 here. You're going to carry that 1 right here, and then we're going to have 1 plus 4, which is 5, plus another 5 is 10. And since there's no more numbers there, we're just going to put 10 right there, and that's 100. 5 plus 9 is going to be 14. So you're going to put the 4 there. You're going to carry the 1 over to the next side. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus another 1 is going to be 7. So the answer would be 74. Now for some 4-digit numbers. 6 and 2 are going to add up to be 8. 8 plus 9 would be 17. So you're going to put the 7 here, carry that 1 up here. And you're going to do 1 plus 3, which is 4, plus 6, which is going to be 10. So you're going to put a 0 right here. There's numbers over here, so you're going to carry that 1 over. And then you have 1 plus 2 is 3, plus another 1 is 4. So 4,078. And then that last question, we have another 2 digits of 0 at the end. So we're not going to be able to take away from that. So we start off with the first one is going to be 10. So you're going to make that 10. You're borrowing from this one, but we can't borrow from this one. So we're going to make that 9. And we're going to take from that 5, 1, and that's it. Now we're going to go ahead. 10 minus 3 is going to be 7. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then we've got nothing there, so 2 minus 0 is 2. So the answer would be 2,117. And if you want more questions like these, you may find them on my Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok at U1 Algebra. All these are going to be located in my GED playlist. Don't forget, like, share, and follow me for more.